Guess where we are? The Maple Leaf Bar. And we're here to hear some music. Let's check it out. He also stamps the hands here. And Buzzy.
Cleans up, washes the bathroom.
And we're going to have a crawfish boil. What exactly is a crawfish boil?
That's when we throw a bunch of stuff into a pot. Shrimp, crawfish, pork, rabbit, potatoes, mushrooms, garlic. Pour it out on the table and you all attack the food.
Tenderloins in there too. And also hog ear.
Here it is. Here it is. That's the first bucket coming through. First bucket coming through. And here comes the second bucket. Look at them, steaming crawfish. Steaming crawfish. Everybody's eating them. Oh, there's meat in there also too. There's corn. Look at the size of them little babies. Here come again. Here come again.
All right, make a hole.
Check this out.
Put your hands up, Alonzo. Put your hands up. Alonzo, I need your hands. Don't let it fall on the floor. Don't let it fall on the floor. Don't let it fall on the floor.
Let's do this shit right here.
My. Look at these little crawfish. All right, let's check it out. Look at them. He's tearing them apart and eating each one. Take it easy, I'll get there. What is it?
Boudin.
What's that? Come on, what is it? What part of the animal is that?
Well, I'll tell you what.
Come on, they've eaten all sorts of shit on this planet here.
Yeah, they got boudin.
Just show us how to eat that thing. Show us how to eat
Look,
it.
it's easy.
I can't get to him. I want to see you eat it. Go ahead. How to eat this thing? Show us how. Describe it to me. Yeah, there you go.
Sarah?
Twist it off.
You don't clean it, you don't peel it. Put it in your mouth.
That's it.
Pinch and suck.
Good for you. I got smacked for doing that one night. I did. Well, now what is that? What is it?
Boudin.
What is it? Go ahead.
So it's like rice and whatever else they're putting in, and spices and whatever else they're putting in
It's
there.
not an intestine or something?
It's in an intestine.
It's in an intestine, so yeah.
Oh,
It's sausage.
oh, good.
Lengthwise.
Yeah.
Okay. And you get the meat in your mouth, and as you pull it out and pinch with your thumbs.
Oh, there you go. Nice. This is the aftermath of the crawfish boil. Everything's been boiled and eaten. And these are the piles of the tails left by the eaters. And now it's time to clean up.
Yeah, Joseph.